Tingnan natin.
And why?
And why ako? May why yun ha, may why.
Hindi, isa lang naman I'm grateful and I'm blessed. And now I feel strong because na-share ko lahat ng ano. Tsaka, thanks for all the compliment.
Yes!
And my self-esteem, 9.
Sayang, hindi mo nakita. Paano ulit, coach? Paano ulit?
9.
Okay. Sige, thank you, coach. Sino pa may gusto mo share? Yung feelings. Ano yung napifeel mo, ma'am? Ha? Ano nakalagay dyan?
Feelings ko, happiness. Sobrang happy, thankful. Tapos, may peace of mind. Sa ngayon, dito. Tapos, feeling love dun sa mga nakapaligid sa akin.
Wow.
Self-esteem ko, kung may 100 sana, 100. Kaya lang hanggang 10 lang eh.
Grabe ah.
So, 10.
Thank you. O next, sino pa? 4 feelings. What do you feel right now? 4 feelings you feel right now. Sino pa? Si Johnson. Oh.
I feel happy and enjoy, excited and grateful.
Yeah.
Thank you.